Welcome to EmbedVISION Infotech Pvt Limited video tutorial channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to use Keil µVision IDE to generate hex file for 8051 microcontrollers. In this particular project we will use Atmel company's 889C51 or 889S51 microcontroller. This is basically an 8-bit microcontroller. So for generating hex file we need this software Keil. Keil software is absolutely free on the Keil website. In this tutorial we will learn how to use it. So first of all we need to generate a folder on the desktop or any place where you want to make your project. Name it anything you want. Project. Now open Keil µVision. When you first start it, you will find a lot many projects already open in this window. So first of all we need to close previous open projects. For this, go to project and close project. Now we will find that empty window here. In this window, this is editor part. Here you can write your program. This is project window where you will create project and you can see what kind of project you have created. This is output window. So first step in this is create a project. For that, click on project and click on new µVision project. It will ask for you place where you want to create new project. Browse through your own folder, that is on desktop, then project folder, this is here. Then write the name of the project that you want to create. Like I want to create a project with name LED. Click on save. Now it will ask you about the select device for target one. It will ask for the microcontroller that you want to program. For that, click on first company, that is Atmel, then expand it. In the list you can find 889C51 or 889S51 in the later side. Select 889C51. OK. It will ask you to already write some code for you, but we want to create our own program. For that purpose, click on no. Now you will find that project has been created. The name of the project is shown by here, LED project. Okay. The next thing is you have to create your own file. For that, click on file and new. Here is file. You can write all the program over here. So here is a complete program that has been written on that file. So next step is to save that file. For that, click on file, in file, click on save. It will ask you for the location of the file. You have to again save that file into again same folder, that is project. Correct. Now you can write anything that you want to give name to that project. Let us say that is LED. Now you have to give the extension of the file, that is led.asm. That is because we are writing our program in assembly language. After writing the name, click on save. If file is correctly saved, then you can find that colors has been changed. Okay. The next step is to include that file into that project. We have created led.asm file and we have created a project named LED. So we have to first include that file into that project. For that, click on this source group 1, right click on that source group 1. You will find options. In that options you have to find that add files to source group 1. So you have to file to that project. So click on add files to source group 1. Now by default it will search for C files. So you have to change it for ASM. Now you can see your file. Click on that file, add, then close. To confirm that you have successfully added your file, click on that plus sign. You can see your file over here. Okay. So your file has been included into that project. Next step is to compile or assemble that project. So for that you can click over here, that icon. This is build target. When you click, you can see processing is going over here. You can see that it shows that 0 errors and 0 warnings. If you have written your program accurately or correctly syntax wise, then it will show no errors or no warnings. Let us say we make an error. I deliberately delete this comma. Now save this and compile. You can see there is a syntax error. to locate where this syntax error is, click on that line, double click actually on that line. Here a arrow appears that shows that there is some problem in this line, or it is a syntax error over here. So place a comma, then save and compile. So it will automatically tell you that in which line you are committing an error, or you have forgotten the syntax or correct syntax. Okay, so file has been added, file has been compiled, but we have not generated any hex file. That is our ultimate goal. So for generating hex file, we'll need to do one more step, that is click on right click on target 1, select here is options for target 1, click on that. You will see there is a window. In this window you will find different tabs. We have to go to output tab. Okay, so you can see here create hex file, there is no check in this box. Tick for that. Check or tick mark will appear in that, and click OK. Correct. Now you can generate hex files. For generating hex files, save file and compile that file, build target. Correct. Now you can see that creating hex file, it has created the hex file with name LED. So LED name is basically, it is name of the file as well, and it is the name of project as well. So hex file is always generated with the name of the project, not with the name of the file. So that is the complete process or steps how to use Keil. For locating that hex file, you can go to that folder. There will be, you can various files, basically lot many files, but we have to deal with only hex file, that is here. This is the hex file generated. So you can use this hex file to burn that code into your microcontroller. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.